We hosted the Nashville Corvette Club here at our facility in Franklin, Tennessee. There were nearly 30 Corvettes ranging from C5s to C8 Z06s inside and outside of our shop. We hung out with everyone, ate some donuts, and drank some coffee with the ones that arrived early. A lot of the cars you will see in this video we have already protected with paint protection film, and after seeing what we offer, a lot more scheduled to have theirs protected in the upcoming weeks. Once everyone settled in, we began doing some demonstrations on PPF, ceramic coating, and window tint to go over our process, the benefits of each services, and to answer any questions they had. We talked about everything from getting a vehicle prepped to installing the PPF window tint and ceramic coating to aftercare tips to ensure the vehicle stays looking its best forever. Overall, this event was a massive success, and we loved seeing so many familiar faces and an opportunity to connect with new members. And we were so grateful to be the Nashville Corvette Club's preferred shop for all of their PPF, ceramic coating, and window tinting needs. Once everything was over, they fired up their cars and headed out to go eat lunch. We can't wait to do this event and events like it in the future, because at the end of the day, we all got into this industry as car enthusiasts, and as much as we enjoy putting our names on all of our PPF, ceramic coating, and window tint installs, we also love getting to talk and hang out with other car enthusiasts.